Assalamu alaikum guys. So basically, we didn't know, finally in Riyadh it rained. It wouldn't rain. Felt like eating something Pakistani. I like my Pakistani food, so that's why I'm here. And बारिश का मौसम है, romantic है, तो इसलिए मैं and मैं wait कर रही हूँ अभी. So we gotta start off with something really healthy because सेहत का ख्याल रखना चाहिए. तो इसलिए हमारे पास पहले आए हैं ये amazingly decorated salad. So if you didn't know guys, it was raining here in Riyadh finally after a long time. And raita is different from this, but this might be raita, I'm not sure. But the raitas that I have tasted are different. And this one is, I guess it's some sort of yogurt mixture. So we've got that as the dressing. जो भी हमारे पठानों हैं, मैं आज दम पुख्त खाने वाली हूँ. तो आप लोग अगर खाना चाहते हो तो आ जाइए. I like the aloo. Any rice, because my mom, she likes rice. So any kind of rice. Yeah, and also can we get two rice? Thank you so much. Here we are with all our food, and my most favorite is dum pukh. But this is their new meal, which is matkarai, and this is another one of theirs, is another leg, and this is their special drink. So I'm quite excited to try this. So let's start off by trying the drink first. Bismillah. The lamb leg. The tissue first. Okay, now let's try the lamb leg. Cheers. Bismillah. Let's take a bite.